Meaning of halogen.
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 Halogen. The term halogen refers to a group of 5 chemical elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. The name halogen is derived from the Greek words hals and genes, meaning self-producing. These elements are highly reactive nonmetals that are commonly found in the Earth's crust as salts. Halogens play important roles in various industrial processes, such as producing plastics and disinfectants. They also have biological significance, being essential components of many biological molecules, including thyroid hormones. Due to their high reactivity and toxicity, halogens require proper handling and safety measures.